like in African education. So that was really wonderful of you taking this initiative and then sharing us all your insights for the younger generation. I can see that here the users are, the new generation is also already here, so they are learning a lot of informations or lessons from the history that already presented. So my question is about the general history of Africa. That volume is very interesting. So I don't remember that when I was in high school that I have learned about the history of Africa, but I remember that there was a world history that about the Second World War and First World War, and then some innovators, chemistry and this physics and blah blah. So I don't really remember that the history of Africa is given a lesson given as education in Africa. So maybe in the specialization universities there may be, but this is really wonderful initiative from UNESCO. We really appreciate that as a young generation. So the question is, can we find it online, or how this thing is going to be distributed in every part of our, or in every corner of Africa? So can we find it online, or when is it going to be distributed all over Africa? Because we need this thing urgently. The one who doesn't know about history, his own history, is walking blindly. So we need to have common understanding about Africa. As a Pan-Africanist, we have a lot of movements out there. So we don't know what history is there in Nigeria. We don't know what history is in Ghana, in everywhere. So we need to have a common understanding, a common historical walks together. So please, when is that going to be happen? So, and thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, Akalu.